Good morning and greetings from hurricane-ravaged New Jersey. Hurricane Sandy came and took our power away, and for 3 days now we've been powerless, and I'm making coffee for the morning. And as I'm sitting here boiling the water in my Pabst Blue Ribbon survival stove, I saw a star up in the sky there, and I noticed it was moving a bit. And so I've been kind of paying attention to it. If you look in the upper right of your screen, you'll see it. It kind of moves around a little, and I don't know what's going on, but oh my gosh, it's a UFO. It's coming down. It's going into my coffee pot. Oh, it's coming out the side, and it's going into my government mule koozie. Oh, my government mule koozie must be a alien UFO base. Have fun, everybody. Be careful out there. Remember, you are like a hurricane.